Ever opened a website and wondered, what is even happening here? A bunch of div tags nested like a pile of folders inside folders, no clue which part is the header, the nav, or the main content. In 2026, this is not just messy, it's killing your SEO, accessibility, and your sanity. But the fix? Semantic HTML. It's the secret sauce that makes your code readable, your sites faster to develop, and Google and screen readers love you for it. Today, we're going to go from div chaos to clean, semantic, structured HTML that actually makes sense. And yes, your future self will thank you. First things first, always code in VS Code. It's 2026. You've got AI assistants like Copilot or Cursor helping autocomplete, suggest semantic tags, even fix accessibility mistakes before you know they exist. Trust me, if you're still copy-pasting div like it's 2005, you're wasting brain cells. Let's create a blank HTML file. Type this. And so on. Boom, you're set up. This is your canvas. Now let's paint it semantically. Let's talk the big players in semantic HTML. Header, your site's or page's top section. Think logos, navigation, hero text. Nav, only for navigation links. Screen readers and Google can instantly detect your menu. Main, the heart of your page. One main per page, and it's where your unique content lives. Section, logical blocks inside main. Each section can have its own heading. Article, self-contained content like blog posts, news items, or tutorials. Aside, tangential stuff like ads, side notes, or related links. Footer, page-wide info, contact, social links. And don't forget bonus tags, details and summary for collapsible content, and mark to highlight key text. Already, your page is cleaner, more structured, and much easier to maintain. Semantic HTML isn't optional. It's the foundation for modern web development. To save time, check the description for takeaway summaries and ready-to-use code snippets so you can copy-paste your semantic scaffolding in seconds. Also, if this is making sense, hit subscribe. We're just getting started and you don't want to miss the zero to hero journey. Here's the real magic. Document outline. Semantic tags create a logical hierarchy, H1s, H2s, H3s. So Google knows your content structure, screen readers can navigate, and even your future self can understand your layout without crying. Rules of thumb, one H1 per page, usually in header. Sections and articles should have their own headings. Don't wrap everything in div and hope for the best. Each semantic tag has a meaning. All right, time to level up. Your challenge, create a mini portfolio page using header, nav, main, section, article, aside, and footer. Use at least one details/summary pair. Highlight text with mark to show key achievements. Drop your solution in the comments or on GitHub. Let's see who's semantic first. Congrats! You just leveled up your HTML game. To lock in your knowledge, take the quiz linked in the description. Bonus points for beating your own time. If you enjoyed turning your div chaos into semantic perfection, smash that like button, share it with a fellow dev, and leave a comment. Which semantic tag blew your mind today? Next episode, we're diving into text, lists, and links, your skeleton for every website.